So what happens is in the wiring, the anxiously attached person is overly attuned to other people, to other people's needs, always looking at how can I satisfy their needs? What are their needs? I need to make sure they're okay so that then I will be okay. On the other hand, the avoidant person is their survival mechanism is it's about self-preservation and survival in both cases. In this one, I need you to survive, so I need to make sure you're doing okay so that then my needs will be taken care of, supposedly. That's the anxious attachment. The avoidant attachment is I cannot rely on you to be there for my needs, so I need to make sure my own needs are being met. So my focus is on myself. As you can see, this sets up a very lopsided dynamic that is like the foundation of their connection. This one is looking to make sure their needs are met. This one is making sure to make sure their own needs are met. No one is making sure that this one's needs are met. Neither the partner nor themselves. This is a huge blind spot for the anxious attached person. It's a blind spot that they actually should be advocating for their own needs. They think, this person isn't meeting my needs. I need to double up on meeting their needs so that then maybe they'll meet my needs. This is all subconscious. It's not a conscious decision. On the other hand, what this produces is feeling smothered and inundated by all of this attention. And so this one starts putting up boundaries and separating and wanting to go away and take space because this feels overwhelming, too needy, inundating. I'm going to lose myself. I need alone time so that I can make sure my needs are met. Here is the classic dynamic that creates so much stress and grief and pain and disconnection. And it's a self-propagating cycle. So the more this one feels, my partner is not meeting my needs, I need to put more attention on them. The more they do this, the more this person says, get me out of here. I need alone time. I need to retreat and take space. Now, the other side of the dynamic that came up in my session with this couple today is that because this one is looking out for their own needs in this self-preservation mode, she wanted her needs to be met first sexually, also because of her sexual wiring. So she wanted her partner to give to her first before she would give to her partner. This fed into this dynamic already that it's about her needs to begin with. Then when she was satisfied and fulfilled because her partner had given to her, she was like, good, I'm okay, my needs are met, now I need some alone time. And the partner was left feeling like, am I invisible? What about me? Do you not find me attractive? Do you not care about my needs? Do I not matter? And so in this case, in this couple, she would then go into the pattern of feeling rejected and defective and undesirable, because her partner wasn't initiating giving to her sexually or even complimenting her on her looks. even if she dressed up or if she was feeling sexy, they were not getting each other's cues that they were interested in being given to or in giving. Now, on top of this, there was another layer in this particular dynamic in this couple where